Well, welcome back, DIY car guys and car girls. The Vega is about to leave just for now, only because it's too cold for me to work with it, and I started a full-time job. So we're gonna wait till it gets warmer before I start messing with it again. I've been outside plenty of times in this cold temperature. I'm too old to be out here in this cold stuff, guys. I need something that's heated. Call me the P word, but you know what? At a certain point in your life, you're like, it ain't worth my time to be out here freezing my nut sacks off to get this video done in this cold. So we're gonna wait until it warms up a little bit, because it's gonna be a better time to tune this up in the warm temperature anyways. But I found one more thing about this Vega that I think it still pops every now and then. And I saw a fault right here on the MSD view that I'm pretty sure is the reason why it pops every now and then. The big reflection going on. Basically, cam sensor fault. So that would definitely be a timing issue that's making it pop. So that has to be sorted out too, but we'll get to this later on. But all we know from what you guys saw when this guy first showed up, that it's way better than it was when it first showed up. So I'm still getting that when he shows up to make a little test hit in this, but I wouldn't spray this car. I wouldn't do anything until that fault is cleared up, because it's definitely gonna screw things up. So that's what we're talking about today. Get it. It's cold out here, right?
Man, Maryland weather for you.
Can't be doing this. Let's give it a tiny bit of gas and start it up. Up a little bit, but I think that's that cam sensor. There goes the brakes. So tell me what you were saying while it was on, because I know they can't hear us.
Two-step, man. Trying to
That's what's doing that. Because once I got over that RPM, she was on it.
Man.
She was on it. Yeah.
Swing me up next to that truck, then.
Yeah, I was a little scared. I ain't gonna lie.
Well, trust me, you got a driver on your hands. You don't got to worry about that, man. You real Mexico races, you hear me? Hey, man, I appreciate everything you did for me,
No problem, man. I know the viewers will like it. We got to get it out to the track and get it to stand up like this.
Trust me, man. The next video you're gonna see it, man. We're gonna have to put it on the track now, man. The street getting a little too sketchy for me, man.
All right, y'all take care.
Hell yeah, I appreciate it, man. Thanks again, boss, man.
No problem. Hey.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe, man. Let's get it up there, man.
That's right.
Appreciate it.
All right, guys. So you have no idea how good it feels to do this. My parking spot's back. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Let's back it up real quick. Gosh. Can I hold it in rear view and do this? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. My parking spot's back. I can park next to the house. It's amazing. So let me turn this off real quick. It was doing a little miss, and like I said, I never drove it. I only drove it one time, and I was like kind of feathering it, hitting it, and that was with the other carburetor, and it didn't really feel like it was missing. It kind of felt like I had a little stumble. That one felt really responsive, like sitting there throttling and idle, and usually if it's that responsive at idle, it doesn't really have a bad miss like that. He was saying that there's a separate two-step, because when I looked in the box, there was no two-step in the MSD box, but he said there's another two-step that he holds down, so it must be wired in separately from the MSD box, but it should be wired directly into the MSD box. I'm not sure. I think I did see a two-step box in there. So I think that might be that delay that's going on. So that should be, to my knowledge, you LS guys who know those boxes way better than me, that probably should be wired into the MSD box itself. So maybe that is causing the pop or what's going on. I don't know. Some of you guys out there who are very big LS guys know how to wire those MSD boxes up. Let me know in the comments below. But until then, don't forget to subscribe. Deuces. Keep on wrenching.